Hi students, तो कैसे हो? Today we are going to discuss about the important questions on halogen derivative of alkanes and arenes. The question is, write the possible isomers of monochloro derivative of 2,3-dimethylbutane and write their IUPAC name. This is for 2 marks question from halogen derivative of alkane. What they ask? First, write the possible isomers of monochloro derivative of 2,3-dimethylbutane. So before draw the isomers, we have to know the molecular formulae of the given named organic compound. The name of the organic compound is 2,3-dimethylbutane. Correct? Butane. Here, butane is the parent name having 4 carbon in the chain like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? So apply numbering 1 from left side 2, 3, 4. 2 and third position. 2 and third position having a methyl group like this CH3, CH3. Okay? CH3 and CH3. Then add hydrogen according their valency. Okay. So by using this structural formula, we can easily calculate the molecular formulae of the given organic compound structures. In this structure, there are 6 carbon. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is C6. Okay. And hydrogen, there are 14 hydrogen. Correct. There are 14 hydrogen. Hence, the hydrocarbon has molecular formula is C16H14 butane. Let's see the next, that is monochloro. Monochloro derivative of 2,3-dimethyl butane. तो इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होगा वो पहले देखते हैं, पर उसके हिसाब से उसका हम लोग मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. देखते हैं. तो देखते हैं कि मोनोक्लोरो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2,3-dimethyl-butane. Monochloro derivative means there are only one chloro group directly attached with the 2,3-dimethyl-butane. The structure will be possible structure ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं हम. जैसे अभी पहला स्ट्रक्चर हमने ड्रॉ किया था वैसे स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. CH3 CH CH3 CH CH3. इधर एक हाइड्रोजन को हम हैलोजन से रिप्लेस करेंगे तो जो स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा वो होगा मोनोक्लोरो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2,3-dimethyl-butane. अगर इसका मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला हमें फाइंड आउट करना है तो सिंपल वैसे है कि इसमें कार्बन कितने हैं. कार्बन तो 6 हो गए. हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं 13 हो गए और एक क्लोराइड. तो ये हुआ मोनोक्लोरो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2,3-dimethyl-butane का मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला. अभी विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मॉलिकुलर फार्मूले वी कैन मेक many isomeric structure. Let's see how to draw the isomeric structure of monochloro derivative of 2,3-dimethyl-butane. Let's see the isomeric structure of the molecular formulae C6H13 and Cl. Okay, the molecular formulae C6H13 Cl. C6H13Cl. By using this molecular formula, we can draw the maximum two structure of it. Let's see. Continuous longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and terminal position will be halogen. Okay. CH3. CH3 arrange hydrogen according their valency, according carbon valency. Okay. The molecular formula of this structure is C6H13Cl and the IUPAC name. Here number starting from the end of the halogen atom. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence it is 1 chloro, 2 now position having methyl group and third having methyl groups. Hence 2, 3 dimethyl butane. There are 4 carbon in the longest chain. Clear? Let's see the second isomeric structure. This is first one. Let's see second isomeric structure with the same molecular formula again, C6H13Cl. बस दूसरा कुछ नहीं, हेलोजन के अरेंजमेंट अलग अलग तरीके से अलग अलग पोजीशन पे आ जाएगी. सेकंड आइसोमेरिक स्ट्रक्चर again you can arrange one carbon skeleton according your choice, but you have to maintain the number of carbon and halogen position should be same according molecular formula. Okay, this is the second isomeric structure of C6H13Cl. The name of the compound according IUPAC system is, पहले नंबरिंग डालेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4. Why this is from left side? Because halogen, this chlorine is came from left side is very early. Hence the halogen carbon got the second position. The name of this compound according IUP system is 2 chloro 2 3 dimethyl butane. Okay, clear? Hence C6H13Cl has 2 isomers. Okay, clear? समझ में आ गया सबको? Thanks for watching. Click on like and subscribe me.